Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix Zoro.to not working or the error 502 using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Down Detector, then Zoro.to. Then just go ahead and click on this updownradar.com link. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here, once you click on this one, you just need to wait for some time because Zoro will be fixed after a minute or two. It really depends on the situation. Okay, so now what I need you to do is to just go ahead and open a new tab. Okay, so let's just wait. So once you've opened a new tab, what I need you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen beside your profile picture. Then now click on Settings. Now click on here at the About Chrome at the left side of your screen. And then here, you just need to wait for this to be done down updating. So now you just need to wait for it. So this may really take a while. So let's just wait. So now as you can see, it is now 100%. And now you just need the Chrome to finish updating. So now what I need you to do is to click on privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, and then just go ahead and choose all of this, the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached images, and files. So just go ahead and click on clear data. So once you've clicked on clear data, that should help you to fix this problem, okay? So that is how you fix the error 502 on Zoro.to. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.